Jean-Claude Van Camper here. I'm going to meet Alan Car Camper and we're going on a Christmas Eve camp in the car and van. Sounds like caravan when you say it like that, doesn't it? Right, I've picked up Alan Car Camper and we're off. Yay, sunshine! Well, we've got here, it's very blustery, even though it has just died down as I say that. That's the view.
It is very blustery, my eyes are watering.
It is. That's the kind of views we're looking at tonight. We've just had a bit of a recce for a slightly more sheltered spot. This is where we're staying tonight. Got a load of stuff here for playing with and fire pits and cooking and stuff like that. Bed's all sorted in there. That's my ukulele. You won't be able to see much in there. It's a bit dark. Got a load of new bedding, fleecy bedding to keep it especially warm. So I'll put my sleeping bag inside a single fleecy duvet. I think it'll be nice, that. And now it's time to relax. There's like a rainbow effect in the clouds. I'm not sure whether this camera will pick it up. I'll try it on my phone as well. Ah, there we go. That's a better look. Look at that. It's like a rainbow effect on the edge of the clouds. Mince, noodles, bacon, scallions, or as we normal people call them, spring onions, tender stem broccoli, hoppy Xmas. Yeah, so it's been a bit of a feral night wind-wise. You can probably tell that from the little Mesa stove. Oldest friend is struggling to get his cooked, so you might have to use my little stove just to get it cooked off on. Gotta say, this thing has never let me down. The satellite radar, as Ames calls it. Yep. But yeah, yeah, it has actually done really well as this little stove because of the little wind barrier thing that looks like a satellite radar. It does all right.
Just with regards to the wind, it is extremely windy, even windier than it was when we're in Scotland. And I don't know if you can hear it, but over there's a tree that's sort of like a bit of a barometer on how windy it is, and it's certainly increased drastically, and it's now starting to get very cold, nippily cold.
It is.
Isn't it?
It is indeed. Yeah, he's not wrong on that one. The forecast tonight was for up to almost 30 mile an hour wind. It was up to maximum of 29, it said on the Met Office. Gonna be fun. Oh, and there it is, tonight's special slop. It's actually really tasty.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is it really tasty, Carl?
Well, we've dined, and I think it might be an early night. Oldest friend and I have retired to our respective vehicles. I've got the little heater going just to take the edge off the van. I'm going to relax a bit now and get warm. It's nice and warm in here. Got some, I'm assuming it's chocolates to open, present from one of my customers. Biscuits, yay! Nice. These are a handy little idea, these little hand warmers too. Just handy things to have in your van when it's cold. Just keep your fingers warm. Anyway, I've been editing the video for a little while and I'm probably going to settle down and have a relatively early night and then head over to my mum's for Christmas tomorrow. See you in the morning. No, it's not for what you think. Oldest friend's planting a tree, a Christmas tree, so we can come back every year and see how it's grown. Manly work on Christmas Day. That's it, Nita, you help. The good thing is, I don't think that's going to stand out. I didn't know it was one with snow on.
Yeah, it's got that fake snow on, but I hereby pronounce this the peace and love Christmas tree that hopefully will grow into a beautiful big tree here on the moors. Let's hope it's not an invasive species.
Alright, get on with it.
Get on with it.
Well done, oldest friend.
Yeah.
Oldest friend and I are heading off now. Thank you so much for watching. Just a very short video, predominantly just to wish you all a very Merry Christmas. All the best.